Question 10 says, which of the following equations has a graph in the xy plane for which y is always greater than or equal to -1? Now, the first graph is the absolute value graph, and it's been translated down by 2 units. So it will look like this, -2. The problem with this graph is y is always greater than or equal to -2, not -1. So that's not our graph. This one says x squared minus 2, so it's the parabola, but again it's been shifted down 2 units. And once again, x would be the y coordinate would always be -2 or greater, but we want -1 or greater, so that's not it either. This one says x minus 2 squared, so it is the parabola, but it's been shifted 2 units to the right. So here's 2, and it's been shifted 2 units to the right. This one, the y coordinate is 0 or greater at all times, so that could be it. This is y greater than or equal to 0. This is y greater than or equal to -2. This is y greater than or equal to -2. And the final graph, x cubed minus 2. The x cubed graph has a range of all real numbers. And even when you shift this down 2 units, the range is still all real numbers. So this one, y is all real numbers. You could write -infinity to infinity. So in any case, y can take on any value for part D. Okay, so we want one of these 4 where y is always greater than or equal to -1. Now this one, for part A and part B, since y goes to -2, those can't be it. And option D, y can take on any value, so that's not it either. Option C, y can only take on values that are 0 or greater, and all those values are greater than -1. So the answer is C, because y greater than or equal to 0 will include everything in here is guaranteed to be at least -1, because it's 0 or more.